Hello, today I'll be showing you how to clean your fireplace glass. Over time, there'll be a buildup of soot on the inside. First, you'll want to take off the covers. You can just lift up and then remove. After this, it is imperative that you turn the gas off. Right now, it's the summer months, so I already have the flame out and the gas off. So there's the lever there that you'll use to turn it off. Once that is completed, there'll be two clips that you can undo from the bottom that holds the glass tight. Once those are undone, you'll be able to rock the glass forward and then take off the top hinge. And once that's removed, you'll be able to clean your glass. You'll be able to use just a simple Windex glass cleaner and a razor blade to scrape it all clean. It's great to do this every so often, whether it's just you and your family enjoying the fireplace at your house, or really a good, quick, easy thing to clean to really give your house that extra shine when you're getting ready to sell your house. After I finished cleaning the glass, I did take the rag and clean the back portion of my fireplace off. The right side is clean here, so you can see the little bit of difference it does make. Once you're fully done wiping everything down, you'll want to let it completely dry. So let it be for a little while before reinstalling. And just follow the same steps from earlier, but in reverse to rehang it up. Start by laying it on the top, and then once it's nice and snug, you can re-clip the bottom too. And here you'll be able to see side by side the difference it makes from before and after. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like the video, or comment if you have any other ideas that I can put together for your enjoyment.